Hello, my name is Belen, and I'm gonna present lab number 9. And I'm sorry, but I just realized that there were in this instruction that it has to be done two ways with the traditional and the joint keyword, but I did not read that, so I kind of did mix and match. Apologize for that. So number 1, the question is asking to create a list that displays the title of each book and the name and phone number of the contact at the publisher's office for recording each book. So to do that, we have to select the title of each book along with the publisher's contact name and phone number from the books table and the publisher table, where the publisher ID in the book is gonna be the same, has to match the publisher's ID in the publisher's table. So this is what it got us when we combine those tables. Number 2, it says determine which order hasn't yet shipped and the name of the customer who placed the order. Sort the result by the date on which the order was placed. So the query is gonna be like select the order and the first name and last name and the order date from the order and customer's table, where each order is matched to the customers who placed and only includes orders that have not yet been shipped. So it says that the shipment date is now. That shows that it hasn't shipped yet, only been placed. Order has been placed. Sort the result by the order date. So when we sort the result by the order date, it comes as a descending order. I think. Yeah, number 3. It says produce a list of all customers who lived in state of Florida and have ordered books about computers. So to do that, we're gonna display a distinct the first and last name of customers, selected only those who lived in Florida and have ordered books in the category that live in the. Sorry, my mouse is not working. But it's gonna show that it's gonna list them by the people that were ordered about computers and live in Florida. Number 4, determine which books customer Jake Lewis had purchased. Perform the search using the customer name, not the customer's number, if he has purchased multiple copies of the books, and duplicate the result. So we're gonna show that the first and last name of Jake Lucas along with any order number, including if he ever had placed any order, and we're gonna remove duplicate. So we're gonna say select distinct. I put from the book title, we're gonna selectly distinct the book title, no duplicate. First and last name, I put it just to show that that's his order. From customers, see orders or ordinary order item OI, that's the alias. Books B, where C customer number equals to the customer's number in the order, and order in the order number from the order to order items from the order. So everything is gonna match for that specific name. I put uppercase because it specifically said uppercase. It kept denying me whenever I used the lower cases, so specifically said uppercase. So the query has shown the result here. Number 5. Determine the profile of each book sold to Jake Lewis using the actual price the customer paid, not the book's regular retail price. Sort the result by order date if more than one book was ordered. Sort the result by profit amount in descending order. Perform the search using the customer's name, not the customer's number. So we get number 5. We're gonna show the book Jake Lewis bought, the profit for each book, and the order date, sorted date, and higher profit. So we're going to say select book title, first name and last name. I keep putting that number just so he can be there. So order item for paid each. We're going to get the paid each from order item minus books cost as profit. That's going to be shown as profit. Order from order date, from customer order O, order item OI, books B, that's the alias, where C dot customer number equals to O dot customer number. So we're gonna match those two tables and order by order date, order them, rank them by order date, and profit in ascending order. So that's what we did here. Number 6. Which book were written by an author with the last name Adams? Perform the search using the author's name. So select book title, last name, first name. I keep putting last name and first name just so I can have like at least 3 columns there. From books B, books author A, B author A, where books ISBN equals to books author ISBN. We're matching those two tables, and books author at author's ID equals to author at author's ID, and last name equals Adams. So we got that one. What gift will a customer who ordered the book shortest poem receive? Use actual book trail value to determine the gift. So we're gonna say the gift of the from the promotion gifts, from books B, promotion B. Those are the two tables where books retail between books mini retail and books maximum retail give away the promotion that was there, and book title equals to shortest poem. So it's whenever these people buy from the smallest to the biggest promotion, retail promotion, they get the book cover. So the gift is book cover whenever they buy, whenever the gift is gonna come as a promotion for the shortest poem. Identify the author of the books. Becky Nelson. Order, perform the search using the customer's name. Okay, so we're gonna do select the author, last name and first name from the customer order item, and books table, where the customer number matched between customer and order. The order number matched between order and order items. We're gonna match those two books. And the ISBN matched between order items and books. And the only includes record where the customer's first name and last name equals to the Nelson, Becky Nelson. So we're just gonna compare those two books and come out with this new table that only lists the author name, the author last name and first name from the customer's order item. Okay, number 9, it says display a list of all books in the books table. If a book has been ordered by a customer, also list the corresponding order number and the state in which the customer resides. Okay, so we're going to select the book title, order number, and customer state from the books table. Order item, order date, and customer table, where all books are included, and matching order items, orders, and customer orders are added if they exist. So even though there are no shipment, still if there's order, we're gonna go out of the from the shipment. Whenever we put plus, we're gonna go out of the shipment. The order. We're gonna include every information that we got from the tables. So this is what it became on number 10. An employee table was added to Just Lee Books database. To track employees' information, display a list of each employee's name, job title, and manager's name. Use column alias to clearly identify employees and manager name values. Include all employees in the list and sort by manager name. Okay, so that was kind of a bit hard for me, but okay. So we're just gonna create a list from the employees table and differentiate them between managers and employees. So to do that, select each employee's full name and job class. Also, their manager's full name from the employees table, using once for the employee and once for a manager. The managers are gonna be M and the employees are gonna be E, where each employee manager ID matches a manager employees ID, including all employees even if they don't have a manager. So the result by manager name. So the employee's name and the manager's name in their job classes. So that's it. But the one thing that I just fixed right now is number 4. I think on the lab is different. But which one was it? I don't know which one it was, but I did that. Did run it again, and it was a different query that I created. But I think it's the one for Lucas. Just to tell you that it is different on the lab, but I created a different query for it in my presentation. But that's it. Okay, thank you.